Go ahead, Daddy.
It's a Queens thing, baby.
I wanna dance with you.
Trap masters, rock on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is your first time visiting my channel, hit that subscribe button, leave me a like, and also leave me a comment so I can see who is watching my videos. I'm a small channel and I want to grow my channel, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave here today. Okay, let's jump in. This video, I ain't even gonna lie, was supposed to be of me curling this hair, and I'm gonna leave some pictures on the screen of how I want it to look. I thought I was about to come on here, I thought I was gonna stunt, I thought I was gonna be cute, but it was a fail. The curls did not come out at all. This is exactly how it looked after I took the rollers out. So that was a fail. I don't know if I just didn't use the right products. I don't think I've ever tried to curl a synthetic wig using perm rods before, or the things I don't even know what those things are called, but I've never tried to curl a synthetic wig using those before, so it did not work. And I let the wig sit for 2 days with the rollers in. They fully dried and it just didn't curl it. So if you have any suggestions on how to curl synthetic hair, let me know. I don't want this video to go to waste, so I decided to put you guys on my new wig head that I was sent. And the reason why I want to share with y'all, because I always want to share when I see good deals. This wig head was sent to me for free, but I noticed that their package is better than other sale wig heads. So I'm gonna go over everything that comes with their offer, and I think you guys should go ahead get it from them, because a lot of people hit me up with where you get your products to make your wigs, what's a good deal. So of course, every time I see a good deal, I'm gonna come on here and share with you guys, because it's a lot of people making wigs now. It's a lot of people who are beginners who want to try to make wigs. Of course, having these wig heads is good for those who are beginners, just because it's the size of a normal head and it's very sturdy. I used to use the styrofoams from my local beauty salon. You can see me using the styrofoams in my old videos. They run like $3 and they really cheap. And when you take your dome cap off the wig head, it has all of those white little flakes that come off the styrofoam. So you can avoid all of that and get you a real wig head. But yeah, this was very sturdy. I'm going to actually show you guys their website, and I'm going to show you what comes in their package so y'all can be ready, so y'all know what you get. And I'll show you some of me doing this hair, even though it was a fail, but I want to show you how sturdy this was and how it works and everything, because I always want to put you guys on to any deals I find. Moving on to the website. So this is an Amazon seller, which is very good. The company's name is Beyond Beauty. I'm going to leave everything below in the description box. You do get to choose the size of your mannequin head. They come in different sizes. The size I got is 22 inches. It's also filled with cork instead of plastic, so you can use your T-pins to make your wig, stick it in there, and they're going to stick. And also you can set this on top of your tripod. In this picture, it demonstrates that it's filled with cork instead of plastic. And then here is the free gift. This is why I think I should get it from them, because they give you all of this stuff. On to the free stuff they give you with your order. So you get the mannequin hair for the $31.88, but it comes with a mannequin head holder, and then you get needle and thread. So you'll get the black threads to sew your hair, and you'll also get needles, which are 2 curved needles, and you get the T-pins, and then you also get the duck clips, and it comes with a wig cap. Not only this wig cap right here you wear under your wigs, it comes with the actual wig cap that you use to sew hair onto, and these are very sturdy, and they have the elastic adjustable bands at the back of it. going to demonstrate it for you. I attached mine to a bar stool. I attached the stand that they give you, and I just set the mannequin directly on top of the stand. And here I'm just showing you how easy it is to adjust it however you need it. So when you're like making your wig, you need to turn it or move it along, you can with no problem. And let me show y'all real quick my fail. So you can see that I have these flexi rods all over this wig, and they set in for 2 days, and those curls did not come out. So that is it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Again, do not forget to leave a like and a comment and hit that subscribe button. Until my next video, bye.
Go ahead, Daddy.
It's a Queen's thing, baby.